There will be killings. There will be a lot of blood. I'm up against criminals and criminal sentences. But I will assure you, there will be no extrajudicial killing. Hindi ako pwede yung bumaril na nakaluhod ng tao. Ngayon nakatapos yung parang kipitay. There is no honor in it. Sabi ko sa police, you must arrest them while they are in the act of committing the crime. Because that is the only way you can shoot them dead. Because kung nag-surrender na, hindi na ang labanan, then we have a problem here. Yan ang 3 months to 6 months. Tapusin dito. I will use the power of the presidency to go after the criminals. Ang order ko talaga sa police, patayin ninyo. Patayin ninyo. At ako, pag hindi mo tuloy si John Santiago, ibalik ko sa sabi ko sa tapusin. And I will take full responsibility. I will announce publicly as I'm doing it now. I ordered the military and the police to kill the drug process strugglers everywhere, anywhere sila makita at any time. Lagyan ko lang ng kabiyan if they put up a violent resistance.